Welcome to my channel. So today I'll be showing you possible ways that you can use to take a screenshot on your laptop using keyboard commands. I'll be showing you one of the simplest ways of doing that. Our first means is by using the print screen key. Print screen key is always next to the F12 key on your keyboard. So to do that, you need to hold on the FN key, function key, and press on the print screen key. Let's do that. Holding on FN and pressing on the print screen key. After doing this, your screenshot is directly copied to your clipboard and you can paste it at whatever place that you want to paste it in your computer. So I'll be pasting mine on this Word document here by pressing Ctrl key and V key. And you can see the screenshot is now in our Word document, and you can directly save or do editings that you can do on this screenshot. The second step is by using the snipping tool. To access the snipping tool, you need to come to your search box here and type in snipping tool, then open. After opening the snipping tool, you come to this new and then drag. Hold on your mouse or your touchpad and drag on the specific area that you want to capture and release. Once you release, it automatically pastes the screenshot to your keyboard, and you can apply other editing function using the editing tools on the snipping tool. The good thing about snipping tool is that you can take a screenshot of a specific area that you desire. If it's a given portion, for example like this one, you simply drag your mouse or touchpad to that specific area and capture. The third means is by using Xbox. Xbox is an inbuilt program in Windows that you can use to capture videos or screenshots on your laptop. To do that, you need to come to the search box and type in Xbox, then open. After opening, you come to this area. If it does not appear, let's say it is not appearing, you come to this widget menu and then come to capture, and then you'll find icons here. So this camera icon is for taking screenshot and this one is for recording videos. So simply click on take screenshot and you can see your screenshot is automatically saved. The fourth means is by using Alt key plus the print screen key. And to do that, you simply hold on the Alt key and then the print screen key, and your screenshot will be copied directly to your clipboard. So let's say that you want to paste a screenshot that you previously took, because if you paste directly, what will be pasted is the latest screenshot that is on your keyboard. To access the history, you need to press on the Windows key, Windows Home key, and V, and you can see our clipboard history is right here, and you can choose on any image that you want to paste. These are the possible shortest ways that you can use to take a screenshot on a laptop. Thank you for watching, and kindly subscribe, like, leave a comment. Thank you.